ELISHA CARLISLE here, and welcome back to Good morning, guys! So, I heard nag-earthquake daw kanina. So, December na kasi. So, medyo uso talaga yung earthquake dito sa amin kapag December. Like, Merry Christmas, Earth! I'm not sure kung malakas siya or hindi kasi hindi ako nakagising. Gising ka ng earthquake. So, hindi niyo ako gigising.
Hindi kayo, hindi ko siya ma-feel para yung...
Wait lang, kapangit. Guys, okay lang yan. Because of that news today, I realized that we should do something good. Hindi natin alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Sa 2020 pa naman, napaka-uncertain ng lahat, diba? So, yun na nga, I decided to do something good. So, today, I found a filter on Instagram na which makes you do some random act of kindness. So, that's what we're going to do today. It's gonna be like an Instagram decides what I do for a day. Parang ganun siya. Let's just see what will happen. Oh my God, my feet. Okay, so I'm gonna start my first ever random act of kindness right now. So let's go to Instagram. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is the filter that I am talking about. It is a random act of kindness filter on Instagram because it is for the World Kindness Day. So I believe that every day is World Kindness Day dapat. So let's start our first ever random act of kindness right now. Let's go. Thank a lecturer or teacher with a heartwarming text, email, or letter. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Let's go! Okay, time for the second random act of kindness. Treat yourself to something that you have been craving. Be kind to yourself also, guys. Do not forget that. Be kind to others and to yourself as well. I'm craving right now, yogurt. So, gusto kong mag-yogurt today. But, later ko na lang siya gagawin kasi aalis din naman ako later. So, later ko na lang siya bibilhin. Okay, so we're here at YoPros because, diba, as I've mentioned na I was craving for yogurt. So, I'm gonna buy yogurt for myself and nahingi kasi yung mother ko din. So, sige, bigyan na natin. Pambawi sa prank ko sa kanya. So, let's go inside. Bakong large na original.
Ay, madami.
Yung isa, kasi mango tsaka walnut.
Large yung mango walnut.
Oo. Tapos yung isa kasi M&M and Oreo. Okay, so nakabihis na ako and I'm gonna do one last act of kindness before I leave the house. Pero gagawin ko pa naman siya the whole day. Okay, go! Tag a friend and give them a compliment. Sige. So, I'm gonna tag Clint Charles. Go subscribe to his channel. So, at Clint Charles, you are amazing. Good luck on your research defense. Okay, that's it. Okay, time for another one. Give your local business a shout out. Okay. Next, share a video that could make someone's day. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa TikTok and maghahanap ako ng mga wholesome vids na pwede kong i-post sa aking Instagram account para general na siya na, and I'm sure na it will make someone's day. So, I'm thinking of mga cute puppy videos. Ay! Cute siya! Nag-smile ka? Wala. So, hindi nag-smile yung kapatid. What you think? Ito na lang guys. Okay.
Oh, this turn.
Ala! I think this one's better. Ala, kaluoy, oy. Okay, so nakapili na ako. Ito na lang. I-share natin sa aking IG story. Ha 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 ha. So, sana may pasmile tayo sa video na to. Ayan, so na-upload na siya. So, done! Another random act of kindness checked. Okay, so I just got home and hindi ko pa nagawa yung iba pang random act of kindness. So, I'm planning to finish it tonight. So, let's go. Let's make some more. Okay, let's go! Done na ito, guys. So, next. Send your friends some food for as a surprise. Okay, so hindi na ako makalabas ngayon kasi nakauwi na ako. So, I think magpapa-food panda na lang ako. What you think? Sige, go. So, sabi diba na you should buy the food to surprise your friend. So, I'm planning to surprise Tantan, my boyfriend. Kasi nandito na kasi yung address niya. So, mas madali siyang i-surprise. Kasi hindi na ako makalabas diba. Gabi na din. So, surprise ko lang siya through Food Panda.
Thank you so much. Ano food? Unboxing. Sponsored.
I feel like kasi nagtapos ko na lahat, so ito na lang ang bagong filter. Tag someone in a meme they love. So this is also a new filter. So isa lang din siyang filter na nagsasabi ng mga random act of kindness. So ano lang din siya. Kasi parang I feel like nagawa ko na lahat yung kanina. So, paulit-ulit na lang kasi siya. So let's try this one. So tag someone in a meme they love. Okay, let's go. Let's try this last one. Make a cup of tea for a housemate. Okay, okay. I'm gonna do that for my brother or my mother or I don't know. So, be right back. Housemate, here's your tea. It's a random act of kindness. Pagtigyo po! So, I think that is it for this video. There was nothing much that happened this day. So, hindi masyado ako nakapag-vlog. And I was really, really busy. And I also had a lot of things kasi finals exam na namin. So, I really have to study for that. So, I'm sorry if this is the vlog that I can think of today. But I hope you guys still enjoyed this vlog. Also, I would just like to remind you guys that even though ngayon, the whole day, gumawa ko ng mga random acts of kindness, I would just like to remind everyone that you should be kind to people every day. Kasi hindi natin alam kung anong pinagdadaanan ng ibang tao, and a little kindness can change someone's life, as in like, just be kind to people na kilala mo man or hindi. Just be kind, no? Kasi we really don't know what's going on with their heads. Baka andito, ganito na lang kaliit yung mga ano nila, yung ganito na lang talaga kaliit yung kanilang pinanghuhugutan ng strength. So baka naman kapag hindi ka pa naging mabait sa kanya, just could die, hindi natin alam anong pwedeng mangyari. So yun lang guys, no? Reminder lang na let's just be kind to one another, and especially at this time, like guys, sobrang hirap ng panahon ngayon. So again, dami ko na sinasabi, just want to share to you guys some good vibes. Of course, that's my purpose talaga sa pag-YouTube ko, is to spread good vibes to everyone. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below kung ano pa yung mga videos na gusto nyo makita sa aking channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas! I love you all. Mwah.